I'm Lisa Louise Cook, and I'm here at the Federation of Genealogical Societies Conference in Fort Wayne, Indiana. I think we should just start off right out of the gate seeing a demonstration, what this product can do.
What we've designed is a software program that people are able to fix TIFF files, JPEG files, Mac or Windows. As everyone sees lightness and contrast a little bit different, we've analyzed the photo, we've adjusted color, contrast, sharpness, and brightness all at once. Now we give you a 9-up screen because everyone sees lightness and contrast a little bit differently. I'm just going to select the middle one. And with one click, we've been able to go from the image on the left to the image on the right.
So even as good as this looks, we can tweak it even further.
If you thought it was necessary. Oftentimes, it's not necessary.
That's amazing. Joining me now is Allison Dupre Singleton. Now she's a librarian at the Allen County Public Library Genealogy Center. And this is the largest genealogy center in a public library in the United States. It's a fantastic resource for anybody interested in their family history. Public libraries are evolving constantly, and with the huge influx of interest in genealogy, how is that shaping things, particularly the Allen County Public Library?
Well, things are going more digital, and that is a trend that we're seeing everywhere. People would like their documents to be digital, they'd like their photographs to be digital, they would like actually just anything and everything to be digital. They want it to be at their fingertips.
You've had an opportunity to kind of see what it does for photos. What do you think?
I love it. I personally think it is a phenomenal product. I love the way it brings old photographs back to life, and the thing that people don't always think about is it also works on text.
And you see that, I know, in your genealogy work all the time. You'll see an image and it'll be, particularly census, such variations in the contrast and the color and the grayness, and it can make it difficult to see those little nuances.
Oh yeah.
And Vivid-Pix is restoring those just like it does with photos of our family.
Yeah, and it's phenomenal. I haven't seen anything else like it. And the best way I think I've described it to a friend is it's kind of like Photoshop for people that don't understand Photoshop.
Any other stories that you have to share as far as your patrons and what you have seen and worked with the program, what it's kind of doing for the folks that you're working with?
Well, I personally use it, so my own personal collection of photographs that I've been getting from my family, which is bins and bins and bins, because I'm the family historian, it has done wonders for them, and I absolutely love using the product.
I'm here now with our next guest, Kenyatta Berry. Now, she is a face you're going to recognize. She's the host of the Genealogy Roadshow on PBS, and she's the author of a brand new book, The Family Tree Toolkit.
And I actually have used it myself for the book that I'm doing for my father. There was some old photos that people had shared with me via email and Ancestry, and I used that to help restore, use Vivid-Pix to help restore the photos so that I can have a better copy for my dad's book.
For more information about Vivid-Pix Restore software, go to vividpix.com.